Hi, I'm Bullen of Lynx Networks, and I'm going to tell you how a network connects together across a structured cabling system. We're going to build a network up: PCs, phones, file servers, printer, wireless network, router, etc. But from the beginning, the very simple network would be an Ethernet switch with a file server connected at one side with the necessary software running, and a PC and a printer connected, again via patch cables straight into the switch. We've now built a very simple network. Of course, in real life, that will connect via a cabling system where you have outlets in your office. They are cabled to a patching panel in a central cabinet, and often in the same room will be the file server. The file server will still connect to the Ethernet switch, but the PC will connect via its outlet, via the inbuilt cabling, which I've got up here in red, and then patched across to the switch from the patch panel with a blue patch cord. And the printer would connect the same way. So the outlets have got a number, and the corresponding number is at the patch panel. So now we've got a simple network. Let's expand that a bit and add a telephone. The telephone system in this case is a traditional PABX, which isn't connected via the network. It's a separate system, but we still connect across the structured cabling system. So the telephone will plug into the outlet in the wall, and the telephone system will have a panel which represents the extensions from the phone system. That panel, we patch it across with a patch cord to the patch panel. That outlet is then connected to the phone, therefore the phone is connected through to the PABX. Nowadays, IP phone systems are much more common, and the phone system in effect is running on a server, and the phone is a computer terminal with, in essence, a microphone and a speaker. But it still looks like an ordinary telephone. So in this case, the telephone will be patched through to the Ethernet switch, and the telephone file server is also plugged into the Ethernet switch. There we have now got an IP phone system with the phones running across the Ethernet network as well as the PCs. Now, the data packets from the phone are time critical. They have to be delivered quickly and in the right order. So that needs priority on the network, even though the packets are very small. So we can connect the PC to the phone and the phone to the switch. And this way, we only use a single outlet in the office, and the telephone can take priority over the data traffic. Now let's add a router into the system. That will patch into the Ethernet switch, and it will connect via your incoming fibre or broadband connection to the outside world. And now our phone system and our telephones can talk to the outside world via voice over IP. We can also add a wireless access point to here, and we've now built ourselves a basic network with PCs, printers, access points and telephones. Of course, we can add more phones, more PCs, more servers, more access points, and it all just builds up into a bigger and bigger network, but using the same principles. In the next lesson, we'll talk about the backbone and how the switches link together across a larger building or a campus. Thank you.